Welcome back, everyone. We always keep an eye out on AIagentstore.ai for the latest in AI tools.
You do indeed.
And today we've spotted one that seems, well, pretty significant for anyone creating content.
Yeah, you must mean Seedance.
Yeah.
It's definitely been making some noise. A really powerful AI agent.
Exactly. Seedance. So our aim today is pretty simple, really. We just want to help you get a quick handle on what it is, why it's kind of a big deal, and, how you might actually use it.
Sounds good. Where should we start? The core features.
Yeah, let's do that. So Seedance is described as a multimodal AI platform. And that means it's not just doing one thing.
Right, not just text.
No. It's like it can take text and make a video, or take an image
Mhm.
and animate it into a video. It does text to image too,
And the voiceover.
and natural sounding voiceovers, yeah, all sort of in the same environment. What really caught my eye, though, is the quality. It generates 1080p cinematic video.
Cinematic, okay.
Yeah, with smooth motion, and it can even handle multi-shot storytelling.
Yeah.
So we're talking potentially quite polished output here.
And the autonomy level is quite high, isn't it? I saw something like 82%.
That's right, 82%. What does that actually mean in practice?
Well, it means significantly less hand-holding from you. You give it the prompts, the starting points, and then it needs minimal human input after that.
So it figures out the complex motion, the styling.
Exactly. It can autonomously put together a whole 1080p video. Think camera angles, motion decisions, styling choices. It handles a lot of that itself.
It's like having a very efficient automated assistant for video production.
Pretty much frees you up from a lot of the really tedious bits.
Okay, so that level of autonomy sounds great, but who's this really for?
Right.
Like, who gets the most benefit?
Well, the obvious groups are content creators, marketers, maybe educators, video producers, definitely.
Developers, too, maybe, for quick prototypes.
Yeah, developers for sure. Think about the use cases. You could create those 1080p videos just from text, or animate static images, maybe product shots or property photos.
Right, turning a flat image into a little video tour or something.
Exactly. Or generating the AI images and the voiceover in one go. For marketers, maybe rapid A/B testing of video ads. Instead of weeks, maybe hours.
And educators could turn notes into animated explainers.
Yeah, making complex stuff much more engaging visually. The potential's pretty broad.
Okay, so lots of potential uses.
Yeah.
But what about, the nuts and bolts? How efficient is it? Is the quality really there?
Good questions. Efficiency is a big selling point. They claim roughly 10 times faster inference.
10 times. So rendering time just shrinks dramatically.
Yeah, basically less waiting around, which is always good, especially if you're on a deadline. And the quality, well, it hits academic grade metrics.
Meaning?
Meaning in standardized tests, its output scores really well. It's not just good enough, it's competing with or even beating results from research labs in some cases.
Yeah.
So a real step up in AI video quality.
Interesting. And how do you access it? Is it open source?
No, it's closed source. It runs on a freemium model, though, so you can likely try some things out without paying up front. The main buzz is around Seedance 1.0, which comes from ByteDance.
ByteDance, okay.
Yeah. And interestingly, some third-party platforms like Fowl.ai and ImageRouter.io are offering API access, so developers can integrate it and play around.
Got it. So wrapping this up a bit, for you, the listener, Seedance looks like a really powerful, quite autonomous tool.
Yeah.
It could seriously speed up how you create content, whether that's for marketing, education, or just your own creative projects.
Right. High quality, fast results, and less manual work.
It really brings things together.
It does. And it makes you think, doesn't it? How could this kind of autonomous, high-quality generation really change the speed, maybe even the scale, of what you personally create or do professionally? What new things become possible when the tool handles so much?
That's a great question to ponder. Definitely opens up possibilities.
For sure.
Well, you can check out Seedance and find other great AI tools over at AIagentstore.ai.
Always worth a look.
Absolutely. And, hey, thanks everyone for listening and for rating this show. It really does help us keep bringing these discussions to you.